Every bottle begins here, at the source. Fresh buffalo milk is collected under strict hygiene controls. Every batch is tested before moving forward. Natural botanical extracts complement the milk base. From farm to factory, the transformation begins.
Batch 47 secured. ETA to plant 20 minutes.
Carefully controlled transport protects raw purity.
Milk tanker verified. Oil drums verified. Proceed to intake dock. Weight within expected tolerance.
Hold steady. Alignment perfect.
Seal locked. Begin transfer.
Temperature-controlled transfer preserves ingredient integrity. Now inside the facility, raw materials await transformation. Oil drums secured and stable.
Batch 47 secured. ETA to plant 20 minutes.
Carefully controlled transport protects raw purity. Behind these walls, raw ingredients begin their transformation.
Batch 47 is ready for blending.
Clear for production entry.
This is where science meets scale.
Milk base stabilized at 4 degrees. Ready for pretreatment.
Gradual heating initiated. Botanical extracts are introduced under controlled flow.
Primary blend forming.
Botanical extracts are introduced under controlled flow. The transformation has officially begun.
Pressure stable. Filters catching impurities.
Stabilization ensures uniform texture before advanced processing.
Flow balanced across both tanks.
Viscosity within target range.
Air removal prevents instability during later blending.
Final filtration complete.
With cleaning complete, the base is ready for transformation. Continuous circulation guarantees batch consistency.
Bulk tanks filling at optimal rate.
Cooling complete. Filling temperature achieved.
Buffer tanks regulate supply to the filling lines.
Flow steady, no turbulence.
Precision handling prepares each container.
Pre-fill sanitation confirmed.
Volume locked at 400 milliliters. Each seal ensures product integrity.
All parameters green. No rejects.
Label alignment within 0.2 millimeters.
Fault detection protects brand quality. Batch 47 confirmed. Automation increases speed without sacrificing precision.
Carton forming stable.
Secure packaging protects the final product.
Weight accuracy verified.
High-speed automation prepares shipments for global distribution.
Carton forming stable.
Wrap tension set to secure transit level.
Final audit complete. Cleared for dispatch.
Inventory updated. Ready for shipment.
From production floor to storage, precision never stops.
Truck secured. Begin loading.
Every pallet carries weeks of controlled precision. Precision, automation, and quality from start to finish.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury shampoo, from buffalo milk to finished bottle.